Hey, what's up? In this tutorial I just analyzes on BNB and I just share with my signals how much strong. At first I just given my signals. If I go to my signals, it's my full free channel, and just I go to in my signals, I just given a signals. This trade on 26 is total future and exchange Binance future 10 to 20x leverage. I prefer to trade here and 20x leverage in my all of trades, and direction is short coin BNB USDT. I just analyze this late, and our target one is 308.3, which is 40.72% in target 1. Can you believe that? And target 2 is 72.76%. So it's a huge. Just target 1 you get profit in 40.70%. Always we try to give our target 1 up to 40 or 50%. And I just go to in technical analysis and I just share with these signals. I just given the signal some time ago. Look at here, my member is very few because I have no any paid channel before it is starting, but now this time I have a paid channel for giving a signal. And look at here, it's a short signal, and 314.30 is our entry point for short, and at this moment market will be fall, and I just did analysis for my own. Now market in here 39.7%, so it's a big dump from here, and our enterprise this point, and now this market will be down. And if I go to in my personal scalping or personal our future signal where we given a paid signal, if I just go my VIP paid signal and look at here, our profit in 81.35%, very little and short term. We at first I say our have the future is very little member, but we always try to get profits from here. And look at here, I just opened this channel a few days ago. Anyway, I just try to own trade and 25 long signal, and it also hit target 1, target 2, and our target 1 up to 40%. And look at here, market now fall here. It's BNB result. And if I go to in my chart, it's our free signal, and we get a profit, and it's our paid signal also. It's also VNB and USDT when this enterprise is 303.1% one, and it for long it's our previous signal 3 days ago signal this is, and we get profits from here 42.51%. It's our previous signal. At this moment our new signal is it's our new signal. It's for short and BNB USDT, and we get a profit is 40.72% in 20x leverage. And look at here, I just create a pool. What you think about my signals, best signal or not good signal? Look at here, 89% just pull here to best signal, and 11% just pull the vote in not good. And why they say this signal is not good, I have no idea about that. Anyway, just if my analysis, I just using some indicators, and just this signal they say to market movement, and I just say it here. Always I try to trade in my fresh chart, and we get a profit. So this video is randomly, and just I share with you my analysis and signal too much powerful, and we try to always target one set up to 40%. That means is huge. Most of the group they are share to their first signal in 15% or 20% to profit in target 1, but I don't do it. I just trade in first signal minimum 40%. Anyway, just look at here, market will be try to fall, and I think our this signal in hit target very soon. Thank you for watching this video, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and comment below. Join our Telegram channel for free, link in the description box, and we have a paid channel where we give more signals. And if you want to join, there is paid, so at first you should be paid, but I recommend you at first join our free signal channel, and trade here from signals, and after you think what you do, you will purchase our PAP signals or no. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.